Hey pen lovers! I'm super excited to talk about a brand that's been renowned for their pocket-friendly German-engineered pens for over a century, Kaweco, now available at Blick. The Kaweco story starts in the 1880s in Heidelberg, Germany, where the company got its start as a producer of wood dip pens and an importer of fine nibs. At the turn of the 20th century, two salesmen, Heinrich Koch and Rudolf Weber, acquired the business, merging their last names to create Kaweco. The brand made history in 1911 when it launched the Kaweco Sport, and at under $30 a pen, it's still one of their top sellers today. As you can see, it's compact, just over 4 inches when capped, but with the cap posted, it becomes a full-length pen. The Sport's tagline is small in the pocket, great in the hand, and it's true. The posted cap gives this pen presence and a balanced feel, perfect for everyday writing. The original Kaweco Sport was a fountain pen, and you can tell, with the Sport, Kaweco really nails it, both in feel and functionality. The sturdy, lightweight plastic body holds up to daily use and doesn't weigh you down. Almost all classic Sports feature gold-plated stainless steel nibs engraved with the Kaweco logo, available in extra fine through extra broad. And the ink flow is smooth, but it still gives you that tactile fountain pen feel. For this demo, we're using a Rhodia Rhodiarama hardcover notebook in the A5 size. Not too big, not too small. This notebook's got a reputation with fountain pen lovers, all thanks to this beautiful ivory vellum paper. Super smooth and ink-friendly, so you don't have to worry about bleed-through. Since the binding is stitched, it opens flat, and the hard covers give you some stability when you're jotting notes down at work or out and about. The covers are soft Italian faux leather with an embossed Rhodia logo on the front. They come in several bright colors with a contrasting ribbon marker. Plus, they look great with the frosted Sport, one of Kaweco's more recent takes on the classic Sport design. Same look, same compact design, but in tropical, semi-transparent resin with chrome detailing. All Sport models come preloaded with a Kaweco ink cartridge, so you can get started right away. This is the Kaweco D1 Short International cartridge in royal blue. When it's time for a refill, just unscrew the barrel, pop in the new cartridge, screw everything back together, and you're good to go. What's nice about these pens is that they accept all short, standard international cartridges, so finding a quick refill is easy. And if you're more of a bottled ink person, Kaweco's mini converter fits perfectly. It's designed for smaller pens like the Sport. This is a piston-style converter, so to fill it, you just dip into the ink and slowly pull up. Once it's full, wipe with a soft paper towel, then install just like your cartridge. Once your pen is screwed back together, you're ready to write. You can find all the Kaweco inks, both cartridges and bottles, on our website. You'll notice that the Sport Fountain and Sport Rollerball models look a lot alike. They're the same size and shape, with round bodies and long octagonal caps. If you love the look but want truly effortless writing, the ultra-smooth gel ink Sport Rollerball is the way to go. And for a truly pocket-friendly experience, there's the Sport Ballpoint and Clutch Pencil. You'll notice that these models have no cap. Instead, a silent push button activates, then retracts the tip. The Clutch Pencil comes preloaded with 2 thick 5B graphite leads and are great for drafting, drawing, and writing. And on the button, you'll notice Kaweco's signature engraved medallion logo, one of my favorite design elements across all the brand's product lines. Same compact design, same excellent writing experience, but a completely different feel. The Kaweco Brass Sport isn't just heavier, it's built to last a lifetime. Machined from solid eco brass, this is Kaweco's heaviest hitter. If you enjoy a pen with a presence, this is it. Despite the extra weight, it's still balanced in your hand. And because the brass is untreated, it develops cool, vintage character over time. If you prefer the original shine though, a little polish will restore it. Speaking of solid brass, this is the Kaweco SketchUp. It's big, it's bold, it's not your average clutch pencil. Let's take a closer look. The SketchUp is unique because it's made to hold large graphite leads in the 5.4 to 5.7 millimeter range. If you love adding dimension to your sketches, you'll appreciate how great these thick leads are at tonal work or quickly transitioning from wide marks to fine details. The SketchUp comes preloaded with a soft 5.6mm 5B lead, and advancing it is super easy. Just press the button, and a spring-loaded metal clasp smoothly feeds out more, no clicking or rattling. And check this out. Unscrew the end cap, and there's a built-in sharpener inside. By the way, Kaweco also offers a SketchUp eraser holder with the same solid brass design, perfect for lightening up your shading on the go. Moving on, this next pen is the Kaweco Perkeo, and while some people write it off as just another inexpensive beginner pen, we think it deserves more credit. This is a fantastic pen for the price. The Perkeo is one of the only full-sized pens Kaweco makes, and it has an amazing look. Its faceted barrel has an almost architectural feel. It's hard to find a better design for under 20 bucks. But how does it write? Even though it's super lightweight, the Perkeo is long and balanced in the hand. Those quirky facets on the barrel give it a nice texture, and the triangular grip section is helpful if you're still figuring out how to hold a fountain pen. The Perkeo nib is slightly larger than the Sport nib, and it's only offered in fine and medium. The medium I'm using here is smooth, with a classic line width, great for everyday writing. Overall, the Perkeo isn't just for newcomers. It's a solid, everyday fountain pen for anyone who wants great style and no-fuss performance. And yes, it comes in a rollerball too. Same shape, same style, but with a super smooth gel ink cartridge. The last Kaweco model I want to show you today is the Lilliput. First introduced in 1908, it's one of the brand's quintessential pocket pens. Minimalist with a super slim profile and an all-metal build. Even though it's just 3 3/4 inches when capped, the threaded cap screws onto the barrel and brings it to just over 5 inches. And it's surprisingly comfortable in the hand. The Lilliput comes in 2 ballpoint designs. The capped version offers the classic look and extra length, and the retractable version is even easier on the go. If you need something tiny, timeless, and built to travel, the Lilliput offers plenty of style and substance. If there's one Kaweco accessory I can't live without, it's these classic clips. Inspired by 1930s design, they slip easily onto your pen, so you can hook it onto notebooks, pockets, or bags. And if you're looking for a great gift or starter set, check out the Sport gift sets. They come with everything you need to get started with Kaweco's iconic German pens. So there you have it, a full dive into our new Kaweco pen lines. If you're ready to explore them for yourself, head to Blick.com or visit your nearest Blick store. Thanks for watching, and happy writing.